everybody, I'm back already. We're on our way to do something really fun this weekend and I'm really excited to share it with you. I hope it's gonna be fun. I don't really know what kind of content we're actually gonna get because I don't really know what I'm in for. But I signed up and I committed, so here we go. So I realized I should probably tell you what I'm actually doing this weekend. I'm going out to my friend Marlo's house. You've already met her in my second vlog. This whole weekend is a special event in her little lake town and she invited me to it. It's supposed to be really fun, but I'm not really sure what I'm in for. First step of any road trip, even if it's, 45 minutes away. Contrary to your belief, this is not green juice. Guess what it is in the comments below. Like and subscribe! We're ready to rumble now. We just had to run into the store to get me some club soda because your girl doesn't drink. Fun fact, Q&A. So I'm gonna be drinking club soda this weekend. I'm ready to sit and park for 20 minutes. I love coming home. Small town life. Don't call me baby anymore. Walking away now, oh baby. Don't call my number anymore. First stop, parents' house, because I need to steal some amenities. Hello! And we're back on the road again. We made it to Marlo's place of business. Hello. Like, that is really the size of a pelican?
Pretty close.
That thing could eat a human being alive.
They don't eat that.
Baby. I've been here for 4.5 minutes. This service is garbage.
One eternity later.
Look at this salad.
Thank you.
No problem. I should take a
Wow.
picture of it and post it on my Instagram.
Look at that, John Daly.
Take a picture and post it on my Instagram.
12 seconds later.
Grab some potatoes.
I absolutely destroyed that. I feel like I'm coming off of like an adrenaline rush.
So we're in Seba Beach. Tomorrow is Regatta, which is technically it's a lake thing. But tomorrow's land events and the parade. Sunday is water events, so like swimming races, a sailboat parade, and fireworks. Monday is beach volleyball.
The first stop on our action-packed weekend is Marlo's beachfront cabin. Still for less, hard at 23. So this just became the best day of my life.
Have to is get a spoonful of sauerkraut every day or every night. It's good for your gut.
What's good for your guts, good for the gounder.
Yeah, that's the words. I know there isn't a lot of talking in this vlog. It was a little bit awkward because I was with Marlo's family. I don't think they know I vlog or anything. So yours truly is gonna interject throughout and tell you some things, if they matter. Now keep it rolling. Good morning. This vlog will also be over the course of 3 or 4 days. It's breakfast time and then we have land events today. It looks a little ugly out, but things will be okay.
You played the 1 year, didn't you? Or did you just warm up?
You played the
Here you got busted, I thought.
I'm pretty sure you got the 1 year you played.
Well, I'm gonna ask.
Jeez.
I think we're ready to rumble for land events.
Yeah.
She's doing her best. Then it was time for our potato sack race, where I sucked.
Go Marlo! Go Carly! Woohoo! Yes!
How are you feeling about your first event?
I'm feeling really good about my participation. This is literally just a participation ribbon that everyone gets just for showing up. I was robbed of third because a girl was at a better angle to the judge than me. Just saying. Anyways, continue.
It was a tough race. It was well fought.
Shut up. I'm so scared. Moral of the story, Marlo wins every single event she does. That's it. After that, we walked down to the farmer's market. Which was really, really fun, except it was really busy and it's raining again. Amazing. Now we're gonna go down to her cabin again and see where we go from there. We do have the parade today, so that's gonna be exciting. As we are in the parade, so we're gonna get t-shirts. Parade, I think we're handing out brochures or something, but either way, we're in a parade. Don't say stay tuned. Keep on watching. Oh, I don't know.
Hang out with us.
But first things first, drinks. Like I said before, your girl doesn't drink, but I do like mixing drinks. That was weird. So Marlo decided that we're gonna ride bikes to her cabin this time. This is my bike and that's her bike. And let me just tell you, Marlo is roughly 4, 5, maybe 6 inches taller than I am. These bikes are a little bit too tall for me. We will see if I'll get there in one piece. Wish me luck. I just found out that my bike has minimal to no brakes. We'll seriously see if I get there in one piece. Pray for me. We're having a hard time. Trying to pull a 15-pound drink in a toboggan isn't a great idea, but we made it work the whole way until we got here. But now we can't get it over roots, so I don't know what's gonna happen. Still alive, but I'm barely breathing. But we're here. All we did at the cabin here was eat and then we left, so that's why there's no footage from that. Keep going by. It's parade time. Hey, come catch us in the parade.
Lakeside curling.
No bigger curlers than yours truly. I love doing charity work. Basically, it was cold and rainy all day until we got to the parade, and then it was 30 degrees. So we were in direct sun for however long the parade was, and it was absolutely draining. I don't know if I've ever been so tired. Regatta is kicking my butt. We're about to head to Marlo's aunt's house for dinner now, and then I don't know what's going on. Holy moly, am I tired. The parade, it really knocked me out of the park, if you know what I'm saying.
No comparison. Well, because K-Days isn't really about the rodeo. It's more about... No, they don't have the rodeo there anymore.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Full first day of Regatta complete. Holy moly, it's been such a long day. We're just gonna go to bed now. Apparently, usually we stay out really late and party all night, but I'm an old woman and I can't do that. I don't run with those wolves. Tomorrow is water event, so let's pray for a nice sunny day. Lots of first place ribbons. Good morning. It's about 9 a.m. and we gotta get down because we gotta build some sandcastles. Pretty excited for today.
One hour later.
Our sandcastle is complete.
Cool. I think the road was a cool idea.
Yeah, the road was a really good idea and I think it came out really well.
Yeah, because before it looked kind of empty.
And the village came out really well and there's a pond in there and the pond has a jellyfish.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I put a pond there.
Yes, love that.
At an adult open category, so the overall winner in the adult open is Morning Sunshine.
So after we kicked butt in the sandcastle building contest, we didn't do any other events that day. We just went back to Marlo's cabin and hung out there. So here's some footage from that. How does your back feel?
Hot.
Marlo got very burnt.
Very rich.
Oh, show the people, Marlo. Watch me. 7 and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at that burn. Oh, we about to eat again for the 7,000th time today.
Very hungry.
This is Caution Hill. Last year on Regatta, I lost my phone on Caution Hill. Good story. Ew. That plant smells like piss.
Oh no, I see it. It's black.
Are you ready to rumble, Marlo?
Happy birthday to you.
Find out.
So is each can?
3. Are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, we're gonna take a food last year. We took a bus.
So after the fireworks, we hung out with some people. We stayed out pretty late and I was deathly tired, but I didn't vlog any of that. So this is the next day. We're now on our way to our last event of the weekend. It's Marlo's favorite. It's volleyball. Your girl is not playing, but I am watching one game. It's been a pretty sick weekend. How are you feeling this morning, Marlo?
Really good. Really great. I'm excited. I think we have a good strategy.
Last night we're walking back from her cabin to her house in the dark, and they decided to tell me that there are 3 cougars on the loose that hunt in a pack. Then, as we're walking up Caution Hill, we found
Really fresh bear scat.
and I actually thought we were going to die. Moral of the story, we almost got eaten by a bear. There could have been a bear like 10 feet from us and we didn't even know. Bear poop, cougar warnings. We were at high risk. But don't worry, we survived.
Yes, my name is Carl.
They're gonna score. They're gonna score.
So that was the weird, abrupt end to the Regatta vlog that I didn't end at Regatta. I realized this vlog was all over the place, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below whatever you want. Let me know in the comments what you want to see from me. and I will see you very soon.